In this video, I will show you how to create and share WhatsApp call links. Create and share WhatsApp call links so that anyone with a WhatsApp account can join your call by opening the link. You can send it to a person or group on WhatsApp or copy the link and share it to another way. Every time you create a link, the URL is different and secure, so no one can guess your call links. Call links are easy to generate and currently supported on Android and iPhone mobile devices. To create and share a link, open your WhatsApp account, go to the call tab. Here, tap on the receiver icon. Here, tap create call link. Select your call type, video or voice. Tap copy link to copy the link. Send link via WhatsApp. Then you can send this link via WhatsApp to your desired contacts or share link to share it in another app. Here you need to note anyone with your call link can join your call, so only share it with people you trust. Blocked users can't use your call link. Link expired if they have been unused for 30 days. Links can be revoked by WhatsApp for privacy and security reasons. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can create and share WhatsApp call links to your contacts. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.